The Ahl Sunnat wal Jamaat is the party of ulama mashayikh, believer of Sunni ideology of Islam. Mustafa Jalal Muhyiddin MP said that there was conspiracy going on against the government. They should be concerned to get rid of the odds. Among the others, there were members of Islamic Front. Allama Jainul Abidin Zubair, the General Secretary of Islamic Front, urged the Ahl Sunnat members to spread into root levels of the country, and the committee must be strong and acceptable to all. Allama Syed Bahadur Shah Mujaddidi, while addressing the ceremony, thanked the government for their cooperation and said that their organization will work to provide strength for the Sunni Muslims. Many of the councillors have joined the council. There were members of the Ahl Sunnat came across the country to join the council. Imroz Ahmed, News and Images, Dhaka.